So here we are looking at a bug bot, and we'll just press D and choose box to reset out of grid, and using snap dots we will just begin drawing a shape coming out of the surface. So here we are drawing our first shape, and we can now just double click to repeat all the way around, which was one of the things that was added as of the last update. However, one of the issues we came across was that we did not have the ability to track depth, and so as of now we now have that capability also within Boxcutter. To show that in action, I'm just going to draw a circle, and we will just tap and bring it out oh so far, and let's just select our shape and repeat that. Let's try that again. Double click, control and double click, and here we see that we're now able to repeat all of these circles to the exact same depth that we used for the shape that we are referencing from. So this was just a small oversight with repeat. I'm just happy to see that now repeat has gone even further than it could before, allowing us to now repeat tracking to the depth.